Hi, I'm David Lee, and welcome to Sound and Communications Viewpoint. This week I have as my guest Pastor Robb Hawks from Faith Assembly in Orlando, Florida. Pastor Robb, the American Disabilities Act is a hot topic among systems integrators. And we want to know exactly how does the ADA apply to house of worship facilities?
Well, concerning the hearing impaired, for instance, we're exempt from the ADA.
But if you're exempt, does that mean that you totally want to ignore that population, or would you want to try to do things that would help garner that population inside your church?
Well, that's a very good question, because that is a significant part of society. Matter of fact, my own daughter is hearing impaired. So we feel a mandate that we need to get the message out to as many people as possible. So we have to address the hearing impaired.
How are you addressing this people group?
Well, currently we have two methods we're using. One is sign language interpretation, and the second one is we have a FM wireless system that the hearing impaired can use.
Have you considered the infrared technologies or closed captioning, or how about the induction loop systems?
Well, you know, the infrared I think has some real capability for us. It also can be used in translation of languages. But the loop system, from what I understand, might be a real solution, because people who have existing hearing aids can actually plug them into that system.
Yeah, and then you raised that point about the translation systems. I guess in Central Florida there that you probably have a melting pot of ethnic groups. How are you addressing their needs currently?
This is something we're lacking in right now. We have approximately 30 different nationalities represented in our congregation, and we have a need for translation into Spanish, into Russian immediately. And we haven't been able to put into place a reliable system that we felt comfortable distributing to our congregation.
I understand you're building a large, 300,000 square foot facility. What technologies are you considering there to assist the hearing impaired?
This is still part of the process we're in. We're about to award a contract for an integrator, and hopefully he's going to be able to present to us some different options and give us the advantages and disadvantages of each.
But you think there's a possibility that you may need more than one type, say more than just induction, more than just wireless?
Well, I like the infrared because we have all these different frequencies we can use and actually have translation there. But I also like the loop system because I think it's more practical for the hearing impaired. So maybe we'll end up using both. I'm not sure.
And what about closed captioning? You mentioned that you're not really sure about that, but just operationally or application-wise, do you think that's something that's practical?
Closed captioning presents a number of technological issues we have to overcome, plus manpower. Somebody has to be able to real-time enter the data. So we might forego that and go with sign language translation, which is actually put into the screen itself.
Thank you, Pastor Robb. Hey, we're going to be back for the second part of this interview with Pastor Robb, so come back soon. I'm David Lee.
Introducing our newest shooting star, the self-powered MM4XP miniature loudspeaker, especially suitable for installations involving space limitations and visibility concerns. Flexible, easy-to-configure mounting options and the ability to easily reproduce both speech and music make the MM4XPs a perfect choice for fixed installations, theatrical presentations, and portable corporate AV solutions. And of course, the MM4XPs exhibit the same high-quality intelligibility and flat frequency and phase response for which Meyer Sound loudspeakers are known.
Bosch Communication Systems, a business unit of Bosch Security Systems, is now one of the world's leading manufacturers and suppliers of professional audio, wireless, life safety, and communication equipment. Bosch Communication Systems offers complete system solutions for the world's most critical high-profile installations and events. Together, the future sounds secure.
Looking for a continuous reading, high accuracy colorimeter with fast, accurate, low light measurement, all at a valued price? Then Sencor has the solution you've been looking for.
The public lobby of Barry Diller's IAC Global Headquarters is home to two of the world's largest and most unique projection video screens. Developing a high-definition screen that would be suitable for architectural applications, large displays using multiple projectors, and high ambient light conditions at this site was no easy task. Stewart Film Screen came up with a solution: Starglass.
Up until Infocom 2006, Aeroglass had been the product of choice. The entire design team, including Stewart Film Screen, McCann Systems, and IAC, had settled up on that product. However, Starglass, which was being premiered at Infocom, really turned the tide at that point, really becoming the product of choice, considering the application, the public space, and the fact that the laminated glass product gave us so many more benefits.
Starglass, a one-of-a-kind screen, allows AV integrators to bring their own vision to an installation while providing image quality that only Stewart Film Screen can deliver.
The Starglass product has been the strongest and most successful installation Stewart Film Screen has ever had. We're able to provide the product on time. We were able to provide high-quality product. It's the largest high-definition video wall in the world. The customer is extremely happy, and we expect many, many new orders to come in the future for this fantastic new product called Starglass.
Starglass from Stewart Film Screen, a whole new world for all to see.